Hello ganglets, we've just gone out and got ourselves a new 4-inch Makita grinder so we can go and sort this lot out. So we're kind of dry now. Let's change that. And we can put that on. Right then, so that's currently what we're looking like. Got a lot of the water out. I've got to suck the rest of that out with the wetback hoover. But that's currently what it's looking like. So in a short moment, I will show you what she looks like when she's grinded. I'm just outside playing with a 40. Getting that as ready as I can whilst our lovely Ryan put some holes in our boat to weld them up again. So yeah, all going on here. We'll catch you guys in a bit.
You can see water.
You can see the other side.
I can see the puddle.
Oh.
Oh shit, we're chipping on road, we're just up there.
Well, I shall show you what our Ryan has been up to. My beastie welder. That's what Dada Bear got me. She's a fucking gem. He said it was quite a nice welder. So we have got a bit of water come through. Can't really see it. It's not actually coming from his weld. There's a little spot just here that where he's cleaned up. It's exposed a thin patch. So tomorrow, here he is. Look, there's a famous. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. There he is. Oh, right. Let's get back out of there. So yeah, tomorrow we are going to, because we're actually going to get a decent sleep tonight, hopefully. Now there isn't any water underneath Ryan, he can actually get in his bed. I, on the other hand, will be sleeping up in the wheel room again. My floor soaked and bed's damp and oh shit. Screw that. Screw that. So yeah, tomorrow we are going to be welding a plate, big plate, over a lot of that section. And then putting some primer on top so it doesn't rust out. And some rust treatment and bits and bobs. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Rib's getting well used as well. Got a state of it. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Comfy? So yeah, we're just I've just ordered us one of them bad boy pizzas, so waiting for that to turn up. More to come.